Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert a Google document into a Microsoft Word document. And as you can see right now, I am currently inside Google Docs, and this should be the landing page you should be seeing. The difference is just that these files are only applicable for me. Of course, these are my files, but technically, this is the landing page. This is the link, by the way, docs.google.com. And as you can see on the left side, if you click that arrow right there, you have Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and so on and so forth. So you can use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. Basically, Forms is OneNote if I'm not mistaken. Slides is PowerPoint if you're familiar. Sheets is Excel, and of course Docs is gonna be Word. So let's try creating a blank document. So much like Word, it should be looking like this. Let me just type something here. This is a sample document, okay, by Tutorialboxx. As you can see right there, let me just make it sure everything is good. So basically that's it. I'm just gonna type that one and save this right now on the file. But before saving it, let's name it as it is. Let's just say sample 1. Now it's currently saved real time. That's the thing about Google Documents. Whatever changes you made here, they're going to be saved real time. So click on File right there and basically click on this share or download as a Microsoft Word document. Basically, we don't save it because it's being saved real time. So simply download it as a Microsoft Word. And easy as that, we have a Microsoft document with this document inside it. Let's just try opening it right now. So this is going to be the Microsoft document, or Microsoft Word document rather. Basically, that's it. If you want to share it to your friends, of course, you can just share your files here. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.